What's up guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to remove stickers for free for your Jeep. Alright guys, so today we're going to be removing the stickers off the side of my Jeep. Now the quickest and easiest way to do it is get your wife's jug, fill it all the way up, boil it, and just tip it over the stickers you want to remove, and the heat from the boiling water will loosen up the glue and you'll be able to peel it right off. Woo! And it's easy as that. Alright, so you guys saw how easy that was. I've literally just removed that R from the Wrangler within like less than 3 seconds of just pouring the water on. It acts so fast. Now I know people that have spent upwards of $300 getting stickers professionally removed. I just think, fucking hell, what a complete waste of money that was. That took less than 20 seconds. Boiling a jug is completely free. You can use other things like a heat gun or like a hairdryer, but everybody's got access to like a jug or a stove that you can boil something in a pan. So all it is, boil it up, pop it on the paint. Just be careful when you're peeling it off that you take your time and just use your fingers. Don't use anything hard like a standing knife or a blade or anything like that. Just be careful you don't scratch the paint. But those stickers have been on there since 2005 and they came off so easy. On some cases you might have to polish the surface afterwards because it might leave the outline of the old sticker on there, but an easy quick polish is easy enough to get it looking good. So let's remove the rest of that Wrangler. Carry on with the video. Alright, so I've just removed the whole Wrangler. That took less than 5 minutes to do. It's super easy. So don't be that guy that goes into like a body shop or a detailing shop, pays $300 for a 5-minute job and saying that all you need is water. So easy, so cheap to do. As you can see there, it's left like a little bit of glue. You can just see it there, just says Wrangler there. Don't worry about that. All you have to do is either heat it up again with water and just go along with your fingers and it'll come off. Well actually, I've just wiped it off with my fingers then because it's still quite warm. So you might have like a little bit of residue left over, so just wax it off as I said earlier. But that's pretty much it. Easy as that. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and like button. And if you've got anything else to add, or you've done this and if you've got anything else to add, please leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.